everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really great comfort dish for you all. I know you all are going to love this. These are neck bones. In one of my previous videos I showed you how to boil them to get them clean, and I also showed you how to clean the neck bones. All right, all I did was this is my third boil right here, and after this then I'm going to clean them. But I poured vinegar in the water, and I just let them boil. And the good thing about this is once you're done boiling the meat to clean it, it's almost going to be done. You'll be ready to add everything else that needs to go in this dish, and voila, you're ready to eat. All right, stay tuned. Okay, so I'm about to get ready to clean my neck bones, but before I do that, I've placed some water in my pot and placed it back on the stove on high. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some salt, some black pepper, and some accent to the water, so that when I do bring the neck bones back over here to put them back in the pot, then the water is already seasoned, because I want the seasoning to get all over the neck bones. All right, so I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of salt. I'm going to put half a tablespoon of black pepper, and I'm going to put half tablespoon of accent. All right, and I'm just going to let that start to boil, and I'm going to move on over and start on my neck bones. So like I said before, I showed you all how to clean the neck bones in one of my previous videos, but for those of you who are new to my channel, I'm just going to show you how you clean them, just a few of them. All right, you're going to get the fat off of here, and there's some yellow, I don't know what you call it, but it's something yellow on there. You also see it on chicken, and you just want to get that off. All right, and then you want to wash them really good. And I'm also going to show you this right here, these tubes right here. You really want to get that out of there. All right, you really want to get that out. That is one of the most terrible tastes that you will ever taste in your life. All right, so you really want to get that off of there. You don't want to take all the fat off of your neck bones, because that's going to help to cook it, and it's going to help season it. All right, but you do want to clean these really good. Okay, and you see this white foamy looking stuff here, and I don't know what that is, but it has a very awful taste as well, so you want to get that out of there. All right, and you just want to make sure you clean these really well. And see, you just want to get all of this out of here. All right, all right, so usually I would not put this much water in the pot for the neck bones, but because this is going to be a soup, then that's why I went a little heavy on the water. All right, okay, so I'm just going to add my neck bones to this boiling water that I've already seasoned, because you want your meat seasoned through and through. All right, And like I said, because I boiled this water, I boiled these neck bones so many times, they're basically almost done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my bell peppers and onions and all that good stuff to put in the pot, all right, along with this. So I'll be back. Okay, so this is one large onion and one large bell pepper. I'm just going to let that cook for about 10 minutes. Okay, so this is 5 cans of corn, and this is 5 cans of tomatoes drained. I'm just going to let this cook, and I'm going to cut up my potatoes. Okay, to keep your potatoes from turning brown until you put them in your soup, just get a little water and put some salt in it and place your potatoes in here and salt. And then you can place them also in the refrigerator until you're ready to put them in your soup. Okay, I'm going to put 4 spoons of this tomato paste in here. All right, and then I'm just going to stir that in. All right, so I'm going to put some instant potatoes in here, and that is just to make it a little thick, not too thick. So I'm just going to put about 4 of these spoons of potatoes in here, all right? Last thing that I'm going to put in are my potatoes, but of course that will be when the neck bones are done, because we don't want to overcook our potatoes, all right? Look at that. So I'm going to add a little parsley to this, just a little paprika to give it just a little kick, not much, all right? Okay, I'm about to add these iced potatoes. Final thing. Potatoes. All right, there you have it. Neck bone soup with some good old cornbread to go with that. All right. I hope that you all have liked this session of Glorious Foods with me, Laurie. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press that post notification bell so that each time I post a new video, you will be notified. Until next time, I'll see you later.